Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Why should I blind bake a pie crust? There are a few reasons to blind bake a pie shell. Another reason is to prevent a soggy crust when you're baking a custard-based pie, like for pumpkin or pecan pies. Your goal is to pre-cook the pie shell, but you don't want the dough to slip down into the pan.
Take our lead.
You do not need to pre-bake a pie crust for an apple pie or any baked fruit pie really, but we do freeze the dough to help it stay put. Pre-baking the pie crust is only required when making a custard pie or when making a fresh fruit pie. You should probably get. Pie weights are super helpful to have for pre-baking.
Take our lead.
A pre-baked crust is typically used where the pie is going to spend minimal time in the oven or when the filling starts out very liquid, such as with a lemon meringue or custard pie. Definitely pre-bake the crust on them. If you don't, the crisp is going to be more soggy than crisp.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.